I jump instead, and I built these muscles from jumping instead. Hey trophies, welcome to I Jump Instead. My name is Trophy Sally. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick video today discussing what a rebounder is, because maybe you want to get started on your rebounding journey, and so you're here to learn what is a rebounder and how will I benefit from rebounding. And so I want to share that with you today in this quick video. It really is pretty basic and simple. What we have here is a resistance mat. And because it's connected to resistance in the form of springs or bungees that's connected to this frame, we are now able to stand on it and bounce on it. And bouncing on it is accessing increased G-force in our bodies. So we're actually accessing weight. So now every bounce is weight training. We are weighted here, okay? I'm adding weight, all right? I jump instead, and I built these muscles from jumping instead. And I get the question all the time, how did you build those arm muscles? You know, maybe I can understand you build the leg muscles, right? The leg muscles inside and out. Maybe I can understand that because when you run on a rebounder or when you jump on a rebounder, it's very fatiguing for the legs, right? But when we jump on this rebounder, no muscle is missed. The jaw muscles are strengthened. The neck muscles are strengthened. The chest, lats, deltoids, biceps, triceps, forearms, abs, obliques, glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, everything is weighted with every bounce. And so if we jump daily, we start building muscle density. And we are putting this weight against our bones, which is keeping our bone density strong and potentially increasing our bone density. We're getting this full body gym workout, cardio plus weight training, all in one here on this rebounder sitting in our living room. That's putting resistance against every cell in our entire body. It really is easy world. We always have the handlebar attached because it's a performance bar. We're using it so that we can use this resistance mat in every way possible. Because it's not just about bouncing. We can push down and we can stay low in our ceiling by having something to hold on to. When we're sitting, we can not bounce and we can do sit-ups. We can do V-ups and hold here. But of course we can start working into bouncing, which is going to strengthen our core and back even more. It's a very strengthening movement on the rebounders. We need to work our way up with sit bouncing. We even do planks in class. And look at this, you get to be on this elevated surface here and you can be in this plank position with a soft surface for your wrists. And then you can drop down to plank, push up, look at this, and you can go up and down with a soft surface. Seriously, this muscle activation brings so much vigor into our lives. It releases dopamine and serotonin. It makes us feel so good. It makes us sleep better at night. It calms our body, it calms our mind, it eliminates pain, it takes care of fitness. It literally checks that box. All we have to do is treat our rebounders like our best friends and hang out with them every single day. So, what rebounder should you get to start your jumping journey? I recommend 3 different rebounders. I recommend the Cellerciser rebounder and the JumpSport 350 Pro as my higher quality rebounders, top 2. And then my introductory rebounder that I recommend is the BCAN 40-inch bungee rebounder. The Cellerciser is the rebounder that built our trophy bodies. The JumpSport 350 Pro has incredible power and positives about that rebounder. Either one would be fantastic for you, but if you want to go down the trophy twins same path, you want to get yourself a Cellerciser, okay? The links for these 3 rebounders are also in the description box below in case you just want to go down and get your rebounder ordered. Because you can order it today and it will be at your house in a few days and you can get started jumping ASAP. I do want to say that with the introductory BCAN rebounder 40-inch bungee rebounder, you do have to assemble it, Okay, you're gonna have to screw on the legs, you're gonna have to tie the bungees on, and then once you got it, you've got it, and you can get going. If you can afford a Cellerciser or a JumpSport 350 Pro, they're going to come assembled, easy world. Make sure to get the handlebar with the JumpSport 350 Pro. That's an add-on when you are purchasing the JumpSport 350 Pro. The Cellerciser already comes with the handlebar, and then you can use code IJumpInstead as well for a discount for the Cellerciser or the JumpSport 350 Pro. It's a one-time purchase and you will be set for life. Strength, flexibility, digestive health, bone density, lymphatic health, proportion, profound health. Literally, jawline to feet, easy world while you're watching TV or brushing your teeth in your underwear. No need to drive to the gym ever again. But then once you build up that foundational strength, hey yoga, hey Pilates, I came to play because I got my muscles and my flexibility on point. All right, gym, hi. Lifting weights, sure, why not? If I want to, I can, because I've got the elbows and the wrists and the shoulder strength to do it, because I jump instead. Hey pool, how are you? I'm gonna start swimming now because I can pull water back no problem, because I jump instead. It is the foundation of my everything. I can hike mountains. I can go running outside if I want to. God forbid we all run on cement, but I can if I jump instead, as the foundation of my knee and ankle strength and health. So get a rebounder as soon as you can so that you can live your dream trophy life, starting now for the rest of your life. Okay, trophies, thanks for being here. See you in the next one. Mwah. Bye for now.